So I have a problem with my ceiling fan, and the problem is that when I shut the light off, it flickers. Now this is the fan with the blades on and the light off. Somehow power bleeds through and makes the fan light flicker. Now I do have a remote for it. This is a remote here. And when I go to turn on the fan light, it turns on fine. But when I go to turn off the fan light, power gets through and it flickers the light itself. If I slow down the fan, once it slows down, I notice the light flickering goes off too. So I don't know what I've looked online, and some places are saying that it's a bleeder resistor. The fan's on right here, and the light is off, but it does flicker still. And if I turn the light on, it stays on. So I'd really appreciate some input from anybody on how to fix this problem so that I could run my fan without having that light flickering. Your input's greatly appreciated. Thanks.